Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted a StarLine package on this Audi RS3. Customer had a problem with his factory fitted alarm, had the siren replaced, problem still there. It was going to get very expensive at Audi, so we fitted in this StarLine product. What this actual product does, it allows him to arm and disarm from this without turning the factory fitted system on. He's also got hands free, so he can program it with his iPhone as he walks away. It will arm. It's got tilt, motion, shock, door protection and a CAN immobiliser block. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arm it now. I'm going to apply a trigger by hitting the vehicle. So I'm going to arm it now, watch the windows rise. Obviously the doors are going to lock. So there you go. Puts carefully, back window up. Now front window. So I'm just going to wait for it to set, apply force to it and let it go wild. There you go, that was just a shock sensor, internal siren triggering, horn triggering. So this time I've left the door slightly ajar, put it in the lock position and I'm going to wait for it to set. So I'm going to arm it again. It's telling me door ajar, extra bleep, so obviously I haven't got it locked properly. So I'm just going to disarm it and put it in the lock position correctly. I'm going to leave the door slightly open and then pull it from the inside because the key doesn't work in the door for some reason. So we're going to test it that way. If someone opens a door, so let's turn it on now and wait for it to set. So let's trigger the door now. There you go, that was if someone opens a door. It's also got tilt sensor, someone lifts it, and motion sensor, someone moves it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to jump in the vehicle and we're going to show you ICANN block. So I'm going to arm it, wait about 30 seconds, then try and start it. And you're going to see me do, obviously from the outside, you're going to see it go mad, car's going to cut out and then so I'm going to arm it now, wait 30 seconds for it to set and then trigger it. So I'm going to jump in. So now I'm going to arm it from the inside and show exactly the same again. So I'm going to arm it. If you listen carefully, I've actually put the siren inside, so it's going to get very, very loud. So I'm going to wait 30 seconds for it to set. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. So you actually see that the speedo will just cut out, if you can see clearly from there. But you'll see from the inside actually what happens. And it will go mad again on the outside. There you go, won't even start. There you go. Alarm's going mad. Vehicle won't start. Vehicle's immobilised. Also, while we're in the vehicle, I'm going to show you we've actually just paired up the phone, so you can also arm from the app. So there you go, system armed. System disarmed. Show you again. System armed. System disarmed. I'm now going to show you where we've positioned the LED also. Okay, when we arm it through here, you're actually going to see the LED start flashing. So if we're going to arm it now, there you go, system armed, blue light flashing throughout the night. Come back, disarm it, system disarmed. Also, this product's got a Bluetooth app, so you can enable and disable through the app. So really, really straightforward. It also tells you indications if a door's been opened. There you go, door open, door close. Ignition on. Actually see a key in the windscreen. Ignition off. Can read the voltage. Also, you can arm and disarm. So if I leave the vehicle, zap it, hold it, you actually see, if I hold this, you'll see a little line go across the top. Push and hold, release. System armed. See a dome going around the outside. System's armed. Also, system disarmed. Push and hold the horn. Can trigger the internal siren. Really, really clever. You can also use this as a tag and place it into hands-free mode. So as you walk away from the vehicle, it arms and locks. As you come back to the vehicle, disarms. So you can have hands-free on the vehicle. Very clever. So what we're going to do is we're going to arm it now. Make the vehicle safe. There you go. It actually shows lock. It's got a dome. This system only works within Bluetooth range, so it's very, very clever. System disarmed. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. Let's make this vehicle safe. Bye bye.